how to change currency in Squarespace. So what I've done is I've just logged into my Squarespace account and I've opened up the dashboard. Now here we will find the website for which we want to change the currency and then just click on selling next to website. This is going to load up the commerce page for our Squarespace website. So I'm just going to give it some time to load up here. Okay, so once we have it loaded up, then what we're going to do is we're going to see this. So set up your store, products, payments, subscriptions, and publish. So what we want to do is actually click on payments, which is the second option here. Click on payments. And then if we scroll down here, then we should be able to see Stripe, PayPal, Square, and at the very bottom you should see store currency. Just click on store currency, and here if we click on US dollar, we can change this to any currency that we want from this list given right here. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.